How to fix WhatsApp you recently connected. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device, and if not your Wi-Fi connection, switch to a cellular data as well. Now launch the Play Store application on your device and simply tap on the search bar to search for WhatsApp so that we can confirm we have an updated version of the application. As we can see on the screen, there is no option of update over here, which means we have the latest version of WhatsApp application. So we can now just go back, launch the settings application on our device. As we launch the settings application, scroll down to apps, then tap on manage apps over here and simply tap on the search bar to search for WhatsApp over here. So let's search for the WhatsApp application. It might take few more seconds. So let's tap on it, and then you can see the option of clear data at the bottom right corner. So select on clear data, clear the cache and tap on OK. As you do that, you can relaunch the WhatsApp application, and this might definitely help you out. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.